Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lucy Aisha Vlogs. If you're new here, please subscribe, like this video, and turn the notification bell on so that when I upload, YouTube gets to notify you of the new video. Now, as I had promised you guys, so today I'll be taking you through the process of opening a CDS account in Kenya. Have you ever wondered how you can invest in shares, stocks, government bonds, treasury bills in Kenya? So here is a short video about on how you can acquire some of the portfolios that will make you a millionaire. So here we go. So what is a CDS account? So we're going to check what is a CDS account in Kenya. So when you go to you're supposed to go to the main government website, which is a www.cdsckenya.com. So the CDS means Central Depository and Settlement Corporation. So it serves international investors, local investors, anyone who is willing to invest in the Nairobi Stock Exchange or in the Kenyan government bonds, and Kenyan treasury bills. They have a high return rate. It could be slow, but it has a good return rate, and over the years it's been proven that they can deliver with the stocks and the bonds and the treasury. So we have the CDS mobile, we have a mobile app, we have account statement you get every month if you've done any transactions. You have a depository, services, and publications. This is where you find all reports available for download. So how do you open one? They haven't quite yet put it online. So what we're going to do is, before you consider a stockbroker in Kenya, you have to come to the Nairobi Stocks Exchange, which is nse.co.ke. Look for member funds that are registered, list of trading participants, and you can get to choose which stockbroker you can choose. All these they are registered and they're approved by the Capital Markets Authority. So anything you see here, you can actually email them and do the application. So what are the exact requirements for opening a CDS account, a Central Depository account, in order for you to trade in shares? So you will need a form, the CDS application form. You can do it online if you've identified the best stockbroker. So this here is the form, a very simple form. You can actually, can you see? Yes, you can actually fill it by yourself. This is for Kenyans, for non-residents and international investors. The form is the same, but you have to provide your passport and all that. So here you go. It's located here at the 10th Nation Center, and the website is here, and they also have a phone number you can call just to inquire anything you want. Your account number, your bank account, no, your CDS account number. And is it a joint account? No, you can actually, are you tax exempt? This depends whether you have a disability or you're international investor, foreign investor, and you want to buy stocks in Kenya or government bonds and treasury bills. So as always, you have to do the KYC method. You have to do your KYC for whatever company that you want to open your CDS account with. So this is just a simple explanatory that shows you it's possible to actually open a CDS account from wherever you are. It depends with the stockbroker. So you have to get in touch with the stockbrokers, as I've said, in the Nairobi Stocks Exchange. Here they are, and you can actually see the market is still, I think it's closed, but it's good. Everything is going on, and it's as simple as that. So here's the process. Once you've identified a stockbroker, for example, let's use Dyer and Blair Investment Bank Limited. You just email them or call them or from wherever you are. Ask them, how do you open a CDS account? They're going to send you this form. They're going to send you the CDS application form so that you can fill. And then they'll send you a KYC form. This is an example of Suntra, for example. KYC form just to make sure you have all that needs. You need a bank account, you need your KRA PIN, Kenya Revenue Authority PIN, because once you get dividends or any sort of investments, they have tax inclusive, so you have to pay some taxes when you get your accrued capital gains or dividends each year, however much you want. Yeah, so that's it. That's a simple way. Once you actually talk to these people, like for example, let's use Suntra, they will send you the KYC form and the CDS form application so that you fill online, send them. Make sure you have 2 passports, your bank account where you can actually top up your account, your account, and then you end up having an account just like this one. So I will show you a CDS account, a live CDS account right now to show you exactly